Hello guys, in this video we're gonna see the working of NODEMCU by hosting a web server. You can see this is our NODEMCU board which consists of ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. We use Arduino IDE for programming it. Here comes the Arduino IDE. As you can see, we have included ESP8266 Wi-Fi header file for support. In the tools menu, we have chosen the board NODEMCU 1.0 and its corresponding port is also been selected. Now let me just show you through the code. Over here we have started the Wi-Fi server. There are two LEDs on the board which we have configured according to our use. This program basically controls the working of a printer, which I will be showing you in few minutes. ESP8266 has to connect with internet, so we have given here our Wi-Fi name and its corresponding password. While the execution of the program, the module connects to this device for internet access. Let's get into the code. Over here, this checks whether the server is available or not. Once you get the server, we have to design it accordingly so it looks nice while seeing. This is the basic HTML codes which is used for writing the web server. Let me just show you our web server. I have already uploaded the code for you. Over here, this is our IP address which should be pasted in the web browser. Now we are loading our browser. I have already loaded it. So let's go through it. You can see here commanding JAWS for the control of the printers. Right now we know the status of printers off. The same way, this board also shows no LED is turned on. We have two buttons over here, 2D image printing and 3D image printing. These two buttons are hyperlinks which takes us to another web page. While clicking on this two button, you can see a small red light will glow. Now we are going into the 2D image printing tab. Over here we see a 2D image, that is a blueprint of an Iron Man suit. Simultaneously we can see that 2D printing is on. This indicates one of the printer is printing this blueprint right now. To indicate the same thing to our board, we just turned on one LED which is near to the USB. There is a hyperlink called as home which takes us to the previous page. As you can see here, this is the main page which we are getting during the first time. Now I'm getting inside 3D image printing. In 3D image printing, you can see the entire Iron Man suit is visualized in 3D. Simultaneously, we can see a message known as 3D printing is on. To indicate this in board, we have another LED which is turned on right now. Instead of LEDs, if they are connected to the control switch of the printers, the printer can actually be controlled using this website. This website can be accessed from anywhere at any time. This justifies we have created a web browser using NODEMCU for controlling. Thank you.